Currently I'm working at Curevo Vaccines as Director of Regulatory Affairs, and I head the department, and basically my role is to strategize as well as uh, uh, oversee day-to-day regulatory operations, submissions, interact with CMC, quality, clinical, and basically make sure that I take the company's overall business point of view, evaluate risk into factor basically risk into the equation, and make sure that those risks are mitigated from a time to time basis. And so currently I'm working on a shingles vaccine candidate, and yeah, looking forward to see it through. I started in, I'm a bioengineer. I started in manufacturing, and while I was working on manufacturing of biologics, I usually interacted with the regulatory folks, and that's how I got interested in regulatory affairs. And that's how my next job, I transitioned to regulatory affairs. Something I like about regulatory affairs that it is full of strategic inputs, and what I like is to see execution of that strategy into quantifiable results. So that's what regulatory affairs provides. I found out about RAPS even before I got into regulatory affairs, because I was looking for a legitimate certification for regulatory affairs when I decided to transition from manufacturing to regulatory. So that's how I searched RAPS, and then I have been a member throughout. And it's a one-stop shop for all regulatory brains to function and meet and learn and collaborate with each other. And RAPS is a very it's a very important institution for all regulatory professionals. The educational resources that RAPS provides, and also a lot of strategic advice that you can get from these RAPS meetings, convergences, and symposiums, which is quite priceless for regulatory. We really want to be at a stage where we employ the latest developments that are happening, the latest guidances, the latest quality systems. And so this convergence gives that platform and basically an opportunity to speak to the leaders of the industry and to learn from them, and to kind of embed that learning into the company. So and plus meeting like-minded regulatory professionals, and it's just a one-stop shop for all things regulatory. So that's why the convergence.